Welcome, my name is Rajan, and you are watching the Drywall Guy from the 505. This segment is Series 8, Drywall and Plaster Resurfacing Part 5. Let's get started.
Remember, when you load up the wall, then go back through and pull down. Nice, even, long strokes. And don't concern yourself with some of the lap marks that you'll get, because you will be getting them. At this point, you want to bury the texture and allow yourself a little bit to sand.
If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe.
Well, this coat is
and ring the
completed.
notification bell. Please leave a comment below. It helps the algorithm and lets us know what other video topics you would like to see. Thank you.